I'd like to welcome you to the annual slaughter for the turkey. What do you think, turkeys?
Thanksgiving 09.
Okay, pause right now. Okay, we'll add to that in a second. I want to see them gobble. Woo! One more time. Come on. One more side of the truck. It's ready for the slaughter. Jason, is the head cover ready?
Yes, it is.
Turkeys, are you ready? Yeah, the turkeys are ready.
Go ahead, Jimmy.
Okay, Jason, drum roll.
Hold on, wait, hey.
Okay,
I
let's try it again.
You got to keep those wings down, and then you got to hold them, and then.
Come on.
But when you did that.
Come on, Jason.
I want to see a demo, Jimmy.
Let's do it, man. Be one. Be one, man. Come on.
I want to see a demo.
Oh, well, you saw the demo last year.
I don't remember it.
Go grab that. Look, that little one right there. Grab that little one.
So I haven't known anything with a hat now.
Come on.
Fucking
Come on. Don't worry about it. They're just
They're getting nervous.
It's okay. We can do this.
I want the stick.
Okay. Thanksgiving turkeys being loaded in the back of the truck. We got Jason Daigle entering the pen. Drum roll, please. Just gotta grab, muckle right a hole. Just grab him. Gotta grab him by the wings. Gotta grab him by the wings. Contender. Second contender. We got a little dust flying. Stinks. Just gotta muckle right around him. You gotta grab him strong and pick him up. Not too strong. No, you need a better grip. Those wings have to stay down. Hey.
Okay.
Here we go. It's in. Open the gate. Wait. Okay. Oh, there we go. Nice. Eagle at attempt number 2. Here we go. Wrap right around. No, don't grab. Don't grab the feathers. Don't grab the feathers. Just yeah. Yeah, just like a dog. Just like a dog. Bear hug it. Bear hug it. Bear hug it.
Don't hurt the thing, though. You're not used to grabbing.
I had them.
They're down, homie. The turkeys. I've got the best so far.
You had that one too.
I had that one.
Where?
I don't know. Kind of way.
Where?
It was the left wing.
We're 2 in 5 attempts right now. Okay, here we go, Jason. Your turn. Let's go, Jason. Bear hug it.
The other thing is you gotta keep.
You gotta bear hug it
and hold those wings in, but don't let it poke you.
Yeah.
But Jim,
I think you should try method with the head. Come here. It's okay. See that? Nice and calm. Are you ready? There we go. That pull. No, I just don't worry. She ain't gonna hurt you. You gotta be the boss.
the head is the bitch, right? That little one.
Nice and calmly. Just say, be a good boy, be a good girl. There you go, Jason. There you go. Wood's in your way. Okay, here we go. Open the gate, open the gate, open the gate, open the gate. Oh, that's humane. That's humane. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go. Ed?
That's the big.
Oh yeah. Big
That's a
bear hug.
50-pound
Big
bird.
bear hug. Big bear hug.
Go ahead. I got it. Go ahead. There you go.
Yeah, that concludes the video
I think the
by my buddies. Turkeys are loaded in the pen.
I almost think
Over.